Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Yes Technical Planet. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 30 very important questions of class 10 science. These questions are most important on the SEE examination point of view. In previous video, I have already uploaded 25 most important questions in Nepali language. But on your demand, today I'm going to present you 30 most important questions in English medium. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'm sure you share the video on Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Then without doing late, let's move to the topic. साथीहरु मैले तपाईहरुको एउटा कमेन्ट पनि पिक गर्ने गरेको छु। तपाईले कुनै पनि खालको प्रब्लम भएमा अथवा कुनै पनि सब्जेक्टमा कुनै पनि प्रब्लम भएमा तपाईले तल गएर कमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा कुन टपिकमा तपाईलाई भिडियो चाहिएको छ त्यो टपिकमा तपाईले कमेन्ट गर्नु होला। म त्यसको बारेमा पनि भिडियो बनाउने कोसिस गर्ने छु र यो भिडियोलाई तपाईले WhatsApp ग्रुपहरुमा शेयर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ ताकि मैले आगामी दिनमा यस्तै खालको भिडियोहरु बनाउन सकूं। भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो आफ्नो प्रतिक्रिया दिन नभुल्नु होला। मैले के सुधार गर्दा ठीक हुन्छ त्यो पनि बताइदिनु होला र यो भिडियो तपाईलाई अलिकति पनि हेल्पफुल भयो भने मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर बेल नोटिफिकेसनलाई पनि अन गर्नु होला। थ्यांक यू। Question number 1. What is the gravitational constant? Write its value. Answer. The force of gravitation that is exerted between two bodies of unit mass placed at a unit distance from their centers is called gravitational constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Next question. What is Archimedes' principle? Answer. Archimedes' principle states that if an object is partially or completely immersed in the liquid, then the weight of liquid displaced by the object is its of thrust. Next question. Describe alternative source of energy and their importance. Answer. The energy which can be used instead of non-renewable source of energy is called alternative source of energy. Its importance are as follows. Number A. It will never finish. Number B. It prevents us from energy crisis. Number C. It is easy to use. Okay. Next question. What is power of a lens? Write its unit. Answer. Power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. Its unit is diopter. Okay, question number 5. Why solar energy is called the main source of energy? Answer. Solar radiation is the fundamental energy driving our climate system, and nearly all climate and biological processes on the earth are depend on the solar input. Energy from the sun is essential for many processes on the earth, including warming of the surface, evaporation, photosynthesis, and atmospheric circulation. Therefore, solar energy is the main source of energy. Okay, question number 6. State Mendeleev's periodic law. Answer. Mendeleev's periodic law states that the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are a periodic functions of their atomic masses. Okay, question number 7. What is meant by neutralization reaction? Write its uses. Answer. A neutralization reaction is when an acid and base reacts to form water and a salt. Uses of neutralization reactions are as follows. Number A. Farmer use lime, that means calcium oxide, to neutralize acid soils. Number B. Antacid tablets contain bases such as magnesium hydroxide to neutralize the extra acid in stomach. And number C. B strings are acidic. They can be neutralized using baking powder, which is basic. Okay, question number 8. Define specific heat capacity. Write its unit. Answer. Specific heat capacity is defined as the amount of heat required to change the temperature of 1 kg of substance through 1 degree Celsius or 1 degree Fahrenheit. Its unit is joule per kg degree Celsius. Okay, question number 9. What is ozone? Write the cause of ozone layer depletion. Answer. When 3 atoms of oxygen combine together, then the resulting molecule is called ozone. Its molecular formula is O3. The cause of ozone layer depletions are chlorofluorocarbon and methylchloroform, etc. Question number 10. Write the full form of IUPAC. Okay, the full form of IUPAC is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Listen it again. The full form of IUPAC is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Question number 11. What is transformer? Write its type. Answer. A transformer is a device used to convert low alternating current voltage into high alternating current voltage and vice versa. It is of two types. Number A, step up transformer, and number B, step down transformer. Question number 12. What is geological time scale? Answer. A time scale that covers the Earth's history from its origin to the present is called geological time scale. Okay, next question. What is the full form of DNA and RNA? Answer. The full form of DNA and RNA is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. Question number 14. What is the full form of BHC and DDT? Answer. The full form of BHC and DDT is DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, and BHC is benzene hexachloride. Okay, question number 15. Write any two ores of aluminium, iron, silver, and copper. Answer. Aluminium's two ores are bauxite and feldspar. Iron's two ores are hematite and magnetite. Silver's two ores are silver glans and horn silvers. And finally, copper's two ores are chalcopyrite and chalcocite. Okay, question number 16. Why carbon dioxide is collected by upward displacement of air? Answer. Carbon dioxide is a heavy-weighted gas. Its density is higher than that of air, so it is collected by upward displacement of air. Okay, question number 17. Write the name of any two thermometric liquid or materials. Answer. Alcohol and mercury. Okay, question number 18. How hard glass is made? Answer. Hard glass is made by heating up the mixture of potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate, and silica. Okay, question number 19. What is catalyst? Write its type. Answer. A chemical substance that increases or decreases the rate of chemical reaction is called catalyst. It is of two types, one positive catalyst and next negative catalyst. Question number 20. What is the heating element? From what it is made with? Answer. The heating element is a special type of coil or wire which converts electrical energy into heat energy. It is made from nichrome wire. Okay, question number 21. What are the layers of atmosphere mentioned? Answer. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, and their heights are as follows. You can see in the screen. Okay, question number 22. Write any 4 names of comets. Answer. Number A, Halley's comets. Number B, Bennett's comet. Number C, Encke comet. And number D, Shoemaker-Levy comet. Okay, question number 23. In which era dinosaurs were origined, developed, and destroyed? Answer. Mesozoic era. Friends, I hope you are understanding me, and if not, you can comment down below. Okay, next question. How many types of asexual reproduction in plant? Answer. There are 5 types of asexual reproduction in plant. They are fission, budding, fragmentation, sporulation, and vegetative propagation. Next question. How many numbers of chromosomes are in the cells of gorilla? Listen it again. How many numbers of chromosomes in the cells of gorilla? Answer. 48 or 24 pairs. Next question. What is the full form of RBC and WBC? Answer. The full form of RBC is red blood cells and WBC is white blood cells. Question number 27. What are the functions of blood? Answer. The functions of blood are transportation, regulation, and protection. Listen it again. Transportation, regulation, and protection. Question number 28. What are the examples of nitrogen fertilizer? Answer. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, and urea. Listen it again. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, and urea. Okay, question number 29. What is the atomic structure of glycerol? Answer: the atomic structure of glycerol is C3H5OH3, as you can see in the screen. Okay, question number 30. What is the decomposition reaction? Give any 3 examples of it. Answer: a decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a reactant compound breaks down into 2 or more simpler substances in the presence of heat, pressure, etc. Any 3 examples of decomposition reactions are as follows, which you can see on the screen. Okay, this much for this video. If you have any question, then you can comment down below. Thank you.